Oh my god, we have just made it to Glastonbury. This is the tent we've set up and I cannot wait to show you what it looks like outside. What? Hi, I'm Jen, and basically I didn't get tickets to Glastonbury this year. So yeah, I've been moping around at home with major FOMO this weekend, and I realised I never made a video for last Glastonbury, so here it is. Hey baby, hey baby.
All done.
Thank you. Bye. The bags are down. Lauren's.
Never to be picked up again.
It's green. It doesn't go with the other shit on my arm.
It does. It looks so cool. Pink, yellow, and green.
It's so shiny. It looks like a scale. Redstone circle. It's pretty hot, I'm gonna admit. Sushi rolls again. This is the highlights tour. It is 6 p.m. I died for a bit. Now I'm rejuvenated a little bit, but not really.
I was like, right at the start of the day, I was like, we probably shouldn't be walking around so much. Or, nah, I didn't say it like that, but I was like, it's gonna be great walking in this heat. And then next minute, Jen's like popped up.
I like tried to like eat my sushi like real slow so I could savor it, but then after I just like felt like dying. It was just like my head hurt.
Like, let's go back to the tent. And then Jen's like, I'm gonna lie here for a sec. 2 hours later, still there.
When you're too lazy to get out of the tent for fireworks. Lauren got a new tattoo.
Sorry, Mom. Just got it real quick at Glastonbury.
Got a postcard. She has been acquired.
50 PT.
Lauren's in the car. It's a glitter bug. So cute. We're like right in the middle too.
I know.
Glastonbury day 3. Lauren has her cake angled down because we're attached. Whoa. Cake. Whoa. Chocolate. Done. What is that, Lauren? Contouring. Goodbye, tent. What did you say? Are you saying goodbye?
Yeah.
What time do we leave? 9:15. What time is now?
5 to 10.
Not too bad yet.
Nope.
Just at least it's sunny and not raining.
Yes.
But honestly though, who would wear white to a festival? I'm just saying, this is not a festival look. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video. I have been Jen, and hopefully next year I won't miss out on Glastonbury tickets, because this has been the worst. I've literally just been watching stuff on their Instagram. They've really stepped up their Instagram this year, which is terrible because now I want to be there. And yeah, basically just been editing this video and wondering why am I not there. So yeah, hopefully next time I get tickets. Yeah, and until next time, keep wandering.